All right, boom. Thanks for joining me again. Yeah, the last video I put up, I appreciate it. Comments, likes, and the shares them and everything. And give me motivation to keep going. As I say, I did want to start in January 2025 and God, but after February now, I'm still, you don't have to give up your goals them. Where you have a goals and say, I start lose weight, I start lose. And you see January passing and say, that's how I give up and done. Like, no. You start whenever you start and just work on it. Don't put off what you can do today. As you think about something and you can move to it, even if another full thing you can take on at once, but you can do a step today where when tomorrow come, it will make you a little closer. You just take those little steps. You see me? Don't just put it off and say, the time done pass already, can't do again. Or me wait and start fresh. No. If it late and you say, all right, let me just even write down some notes so when you're ready to do it, you already have the notes then to start from. Do something where for further you along pan your goal as soon as you think about it, even if you write down your ideas them pan a piece of paper or in your notes in your phone or something. But alright, enough of that. Let's start with the today's program. So today I'm gonna talk about why I choose to buy land instead of to buy a house. Because, first thing, most people always think, say, yo, buy a house, buy a house. You run off a foreign, you're in America or whatever, you just want to say, yo, man, buy a house, I yard them, man, buy a house. Why? Everybody talk about dream house, dream house, dream house. And me just say dreamland, dreamland, dreamland. Dreamland me depend. Yeah. Tell you why I decided to buy land and why land was the perfect fit for me. That might be the perfect fit for you. You know what you want and you have to really think about it and see if it makes sense in your life. Because a lot of people make decision based on, them family and friends and whatever that them go with that decision. Them say, yo, if I buy the house, my kids them can't come over, my mother can't use it. No, don't worry about them. Worry about yourself. Worry about yourself. Because at the end of the day, them are worry about for themselves. Because me see a woman, I build a house. And she say, all right, Johnny can get that room, Ashley can get that room, this I can get the room. And she build one big old house with 6 bedrooms, 7 bathroom. And nobody no live in there. Because the pitney them have their own plans, them own ideas, them own dreams. Forget about when they want to go. She have a big old 6 bedroom house. She alone in living in one part. Long she no go over one part and be sitting pack up in there. You see me? She could have just built a nice like a 2 or 3 bedroom house. Because people barely come visit her. Now she have this big old mansion. Spend millions of dollars for what? No. Worry about yourself. And that me at the right now. That's why I bought a piece of land and I have a little cabin on it for myself. Eventually, I'll have more cabins on the property, and those cabins are going to be rented out on Airbnb and other platforms so I can have an income in the future. And also, when someone comes, I can block off the date them and people get to use the cabin. But I nah build a place just for say, all right, this a for that pitney there, that a for that pitney there. No, I build it as an income stream, and when persons come to visit, they'll have somewhere to stay, and when them gone, they rent out back again, and it's an income stream. Me no want just build something, spend work. Some people work 2, 3 job, 2 partner, do this, do that, fly down much time. My work man mess up, they have to make do over this and it's too much headache. And then when it done and it look beautiful, nobody now use it. No. Build, even if you not build a house, build it as sections where apartment, you see me, different sections. So even if you which are picking them want come, it done section off already where you can rent out a section, you have 2 bathroom and 1 kitchen and thing 1 entrance, and you can have an income stream. When they come, if they want to use it, them use it. If they don't want to use it, you have an income stream. I saw me pre things in my mind. And I just build it for just one idea for pick me alone or family alone. And the land thing now, but I buy a little 1/4 acre land and build where me want pan cars. Me not like the cookie cutter thing. You know? When I say cookie cutter, I mean like you go in a one gated community. Every house is the same. Every house is the same. Everybody have a little same lot size, and you can go up or you can go back a little bit, but mostly up you can go. You don't have really space. And once you add on by your house and the way you want to do it, you know you have space to grow nothing. I mean, that man, me like outdoors. Me like dig up piece of yam or something round the back. One little cane root, one little mango tree. Yes, me want have my banana, my plant, man have all this thing. Man go juke down a jelly off a tree and drink. Yes, so that I want for myself. So I pray say, oh, instead of me buy a house, cause me could have get a house. Me could have a nice scheme house and be alright. But and that's it. What may I say, yo, me willing to do the work and me want to have something to do when me get old. Me no want to sit down in a house now not to do. More can go out the door and do like a farming. Whatever excess me have, me can sell it. Me have a couple cabin pan the property and rent them out. And always have a little environment. Man create my own a little environment where me can be comfortable when me go to old. I don't want to stay there in a house and wait for pension and a drain one body. Want active and do things. So you have to do what you feel like you can manage. Because owning a piece of property, even a half acre of land, a whole heap of land that if you build a house, you still have a whole heap of land left, can do things. You see me, but me say I want more than that. I want to buy all two ATV and make some trail for my property. So I say, yo, acres I want. You see me, say, that's why I buy a container. Where every time I drop all my ATV, and even if I go back a fire, I can lock it up in there. When I come back, I can jump on it and I ride around my property and you see me, and I do my thing. You see me, I can camp on it, I can have people I do all type of things, but they just want to have the option. So I say, yo, land and my thing, and that me want for myself. So just think about it really hard and find out if, because some people get overwhelmed easily and them see one little piece of land, they don't know what to do with it. So them just want something we done make already. They just want a turnkey property, then open it and then can decorate. That's not me. You see me? I want the land where we can plant a one bag of thing pan. A little while before me go start the video, may I go over the list because I plant some molly for fruit trees and I say, yo, I want to get some more fruit trees. But sometimes you plant some things and you forget all. Sorry. Sorry about that. You forget one what plant, so I go through my mind and make a list of the tree them on plant. I have a good amount already. I read off some for you. I have jackfruit, I have guava, neesberry, June plum, I have nutmeg tree. You see me? Who have a nutmeg tree in their yard, dog? Like crazy. Cherry, apple, avocado, sweet sap, sour sap, Julie mango, East Indian, lychee, breadfruit, pomegranate or panganut. You see me? Custard apple, Suriname cherry, rose apple, tambourine tree, star apple. I have one section when plant off with beer pine. Post already, I know I have to go chop out it. Coconut, papa. Yeah, me get some papa off a tree. I show you one little video with the papa them nice and pretty and sweet. Yeah, man, I have one section cane, lime tree. I have plant want to get a couple more still, some more citrus like oranges. I have a citrus an orange tree is Artenic orange tree I have. I don't know ackee and banana and plant and them thing there. Yeah, common thing. But me make sure I have the list so when I build my other list and when I go to fruit place them I buy the fruit tree them I can know say alright I don't have that already, I don't have that already. Cause I want to have every type of tree. So whatever season it is, me have that. Me not supposed to say, oh, a mango time I'm not a mango tree. A guinea time I'm not a guinea tree. No. Every season, every reason, every me just it just dead there. Oh, me just say, oh, I see that tree around the side beer, me just boom and go over there and reap. You see me? See all what day in a Christmas. Me have a section full of sorrel pretty. Yeah, man, as someone deal with the thing that more have a little catch crop them will grow seasonally, and then more have my tree them will bear when them for bear in a them time and them, you know. So I just go for the land, cause I just love that feeling there. When I no go a country when I know the little land, and they just a pick things off of the tree and I cook up right there. Because I remember all one time, I St. Elizabeth, and the man them jump on the boat and catch fish and come back and you just roast the fish right away and it just tastes so different and everything and banana and breadfruit roast right away after I cheese. I say, yo, as a little youth, about 12 then time, I say, yo, it's bad, you know. We just literally go pick the thing, catch thing what I see and just have it right already. Yo, and then I always remember them time and I say, yo, I want this for myself, isn't it? So that me I create for myself. I create my own little oasis, own little environment, my own little farming. When I say me I go buy, when time I say me I go shopping, me I just go in my backyard. Backyard from farm to table, from table to farm, you see me? Yeah. When time me not, yo, you know see things, all things expensive. Things dear. And in and you notice when things go up, it never come back down. So even little poultry, you see me, get some chicken with and get some egg, couple goat, you know, even one little beeswax, make me want honey. And them thing them me a pray. So that's why I want the land. So we can have the space. Cause you know everything can too tight. More have different section with different things. And just create my little environment like that way. I just always have something to do and something to occupy my time. And it keep me young, it keep me vibrant, it keep me fresh. Don't make the grey beard fool you. You see me? This is just the look when I go for because I don't want to look like everybody else. Everybody have a same clean cut look. I really, really dye up beard. No, I'm not dye up my beard. I embrace the greyness and my beardness. But yeah, me really looking at myself and say, yo, land, I prefer get the land and build a little cabin pan it as you know say. My little cabin nice. Have my little bathroom nice. You know, and I set up my water tank where I have a brother where full the water tank, but the way I want to set it up after, you know, things going on, more do a water catchment because only for rain fall Portland. So I want to set up a water catchment where water does catch, full up the tank and replenish itself. Because my neighbor do that. A man have 4 10,000 gallon water tank. And a man never have to buy water. Cause first of all, him alone and most of the time. And when people come here, they don't use that much water. So even if you have a drought for 6 months, by the time 2 or 3 tank done and you saying some out of water, rainfall, this is it, and just whoop, full up back the rest of them. So 4 10,000 gallon of 40,000 gallon of water that no dog. You see me water not spoil, you know. You see me water not spoil. You see me find your store thing properly in a right container, them a right drum them and thing, you're good to go. So that's what I go do. I want to live off the grid. You see me? I don't want to run go market every day for everything. I want to make all my own seasoning and then thing there. Grow my scallion and my thyme and everything. And make my own thing them. You see me back up my little seasoning them and thing. And just keep everything fresh and natural. Yeah man, I want start live too much processed food. Once I in America and start learn about all these process this and the process that and some red dye, very rare. So sit back. You look on the back of ingredients label and you can't even pronounce the thing them. If it say ketchup, it's supposed to say tomato, salt, water, and that is supposed to say. You know supposed to say some word where you not even know what? No. No man. So and I didn't think they kill people and give them cancer and all type of diseases. And right now I want to live more naturally off the land and that me I pray and that I want for myself. So when I sit down and pray things and it not come overnight. You see me like me say 20 years me there in America. 20 years. And me just say, alright, piece of land me I go hold. I'm gonna make sure I hold my land. So it take time. So the time when you're there at work, always have your retirement plan in the back of your mind. Don't wait. Like me say some people wait till they're old and shrivel up them a figure out to figure live a catch of the somebody yard or them a got one home. Me no want live in no home. No. Me no want live with me pitney them. I me no want live in no home. I want live on my own little land. One time I watch also video, watch a video what the man are not 95. And the man still the on farm and live by himself and strong same way. And if some people in America 60 odd and I live in a home. Like, what kind of life that? 10, 20 years you live in our home until you're dead? No. Rather if I'm a farm, I do some farming. Family can come look for me. I'm a prepare so dig and give them and them. You know them good. And them vibe them at the pan and them thing them at the pan. So just pray what I want out of life, dog. Nah lie. Pray what I want and start put things in place. And just like and share the video them. I might just start put out more video to encourage you to start pre things a different way and start put yourself in a position to own something at Jamaica where fit your lifestyle. If you want a scheme house, if you want a little piece of land to build up your own house span, there's nothing like it for own something in your own country. You see me? Yeah. So with that being said, just like, share, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.